Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This door shelf is located at the middle of the left side refrigerator door. It's used for storing produce on the door. The main reason to replace the refrigerator door shelf is if it's broken and the produce won't stay on the shelf or the shelf itself won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To get this shelf off, we need to punch it at the bottom up. And then we can remove it. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To insert this new door shelf, we are going to place this channel over this, and we have these two little tabs that goes into these channels on the left side. And then we're going to press it in. And push it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.